With greater line speeds comes greater focus on accurate, readable codes. Errors can happen, but they can also be prevented. Domino addresses the problem with the introduction of our R series, a new range of smart vision systems for automatic inspection and validation of product codes, including date codes, batch numbers, barcodes, and 2D printed codes. We all know the dangers that come with improper coding. It can ruin everything in a production run. Improper coding can even be damaging to your brand. The R series is specifically designed and optimized to work with Domino coders that automate the checking of every code so that unidentified mistakes become a thing of the past, ensuring readability and accuracy every time. With 3 levels of verification, its small form factor is built with ease of use in mind, from line integration to our standard user interface. And with quick design, the R series becomes part of a full closed-loop solution that works on all production lines. And backed by a trusted leader and partner who designs and manufactures printers and understands printing. So get code assurance your line deserves. Close the loop with Domino's R series. Coding has evolved, so has the solution. R series, clear, simple code verification.